Hello, energy seekers. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share 11 valuable tips to help you choose healthy snack options that will fuel your day. If you're tired of feeling sluggish and want to boost your energy levels, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Prioritize protein. Including protein-rich snacks in your day can help provide sustained energy. Think Greek yogurt, hard-boiled eggs, or a handful of almonds. Tip number 2. Complex carbohydrates. Opt for snacks that contain complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, or sweet potatoes. They release energy slowly, keeping you fueled for longer periods. Tip number 3. Good fats. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Snacks like avocados, nut butter, or a small handful of walnuts can provide a steady source of energy and keep you feeling satisfied. Tip number 4. Hydration is key. Dehydration can cause fatigue, so make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day. Reach for water, herbal tea, or hydrating snacks like cucumber or watermelon. Tip number 5. Energizing fruits. Choose fruits that are high in natural sugars and fiber, like bananas, oranges, or berries. They provide a quick energy boost without the crash. Tip number 6. Energy bars done right. When selecting energy bars, look for ones made with whole food ingredients and minimal added sugars. These bars can be a convenient and energizing snack option. Tip number 7. Mindful snacking. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Snack when you're truly hungry and choose nourishing options that will provide sustained energy. Tip number 8. Balanced snacks. Aim for a combination of macronutrients in your snacks. For example, pair an apple with peanut butter or whole grain crackers with cheese. Tip number 9. Homemade goodness. Prepare your own snacks whenever possible. This way, you can control the ingredients and avoid additives or excessive sugars. Tip number 10. Energizing smoothies. Blend together a mix of fruits, leafy greens, and a protein source like Greek yogurt or protein powder for a refreshing and energizing snack. Tip number 11. Snack timing. Plan your snacks strategically throughout the day. Having smaller, frequent snacks can help maintain a steady energy level and prevent energy crashes. And there you have it, 11 tips for choosing healthy snack options that will fuel your day with energy. Remember, the right snacks can make a big difference in your productivity and overall well-being. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more energy-boosting content. Stay energized and snack smart.